Hey guys, let's go through how to install a slip-on exhaust for a Kawasaki Z900. First thing you want to do is take out these three using a small Allen key. Moving on to the exhaust mount itself, you want to use any sort of socket or wrench with your left hand there. Hold that bolt nice and tight while you use an Allen key on the front to loosen that screw there. Use anything you can to get as much torque as you can on the front because it can be quite tight. Then you would simply loosen up the clamp and then take off the exhaust. And there's the bolt there. This is what it should look like with the exhaust completely off. Alright, quick sound check. Alright, so let's grab the exhaust itself. Got the nice SC Project slip-on exhaust here. So you grab this silver tube thing, I don't know what it is. You slide that on anyway. Grab your original clamp that was on the bike originally. Put it on this way. And then you simply just slide on the slip-on. On the exhaust bracket itself, just throw the bolt through there. Don't tighten it just yet, as we're going to tighten the actual clamp for the slip-on exhaust first, as shown in this clip here. Once the exhaust clamp is nice and tight, you move back up to the exhaust mount itself, grabbing your wrench again or your socket, holding the bolt nice and tight while you obviously screw the front in using your Allen key. Try and use that leverage again using anything you can, nice and tight. If your exhaust came with a cover like this one, just use a small Allen key just to throw that on. Cool, so a couple of photos here just to show the exhaust all on the bike. We all know the audio never does it justice, but I'll run a few clips here now. Let's go. Thanks for watching guys, let me know if you want to see this bike in action, and of course leave a like if you enjoyed the video.